record. Right, sorry, yeah, I'll start recording there. But I'm back on the train track. So I am. No, like 10 minutes was up. This is gonna be like a half an hour long video. Because I have an hour, 2 hours, 12 minutes to go.
I have another 52 minutes left.
What? You're probably in Wales now at this rate.
I don't even know where I am. I'm just driving wherever.
Oh, so am I.
I should stop at the services because I'm pretty damaged.
Cause I'm working 9 to 5. Ugh.
What is PD? No! What did I just press?
Uh-oh, retard alert. Well, I was trying to mock Mr. Garrison.
I tipped my mouse up. Who can tip their mouse up?
I'm okay. I'm gonna have a massive hill here.
I'm gonna have a massive upload. Just saying. We're both are.
I like why there's no one in my cabin beside me. I'm just a loner. I'm a loner with no family.
You should go in GTA, just like park in a corner on price.
I'm just one of them loners where he doesn't even have a house. Shut up! He doesn't have a house or anything. All he does is have a lorry and drives about in a lorry.
Hey, people do that, you know, Joe. Say sorry.
But no one does that.
Hippies do.
No, they go in the camping vans.
Bus, there's a bus. I drove it.
What do you want now? I'm still here and just doing some. Yeah, sorry about that. My sister came in again. As you probably heard me. What do you want?
Yeah, it was not like. I have to make it.
Oh, there's some guy taking over me.
I have to do a serious turn. I just like completely took a wrong turn for some reason. No,
There's 2 hours.
no.
I have another 2 hours to go. I'm getting tired.
36 minutes ago. I took a complete wrong turn. I don't even.
What? You only have 36? I think your game is shorter than mine.
But my game is not shorter. We done the same mission. We looked at it together. We seen the same mission. I think we'll decide who's the winner whenever we watch it on YouTube together.
Yeah. Well, do a result. We'll do like an award
Yeah,
video.
we'll do result and then we'll just show montages of us speaking. Come on, Joe. Do your famous laugh, please.
Why?
Do your laugh for the camera.
No.
No, you have to.
No.
Yeah, I want you to do this really awesome laugh.
Why?
It was a proper YouTuber laugh. There is a YouTuber laugh, by the way. It's
I'm choking.
clearing your throat, are we?
Yeah. Wow.
Do your laugh.
Shut up.
I can't even see my lights. I'm using one hand right now. I just want the light on.
Lol. Yeah, I took mine right on there. Alright, bye. You can tell everybody. Yo, you know in your steering wheel, I think this lorry has Bluetooth.
Okay.
I know because as you see in the steering, oh crap, I'm gonna hit a road sign. Yep, I did. I just knocked over one of them signs where it says like deer on them or something, or right turn or something.
You ran over a deer sign?
Yeah. Like, because you see it in the steering wheel, like there's like a mobile, like there's like a answer button.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see that. On the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
I wish YouTube doesn't have copyright, so we could have listened to like South Wave
Oh, no.
or something.
It's like, oh, no.
We're singing away to like Magic Root or something.
I am speeding for my last bit because I don't want my engine to break. What do you think you're doing, man? I'm overtaking you.
What? You suck.
I'm gonna see how fast I can go without crashing.
Oh crap. Well, you're gonna get damage. I only have 8% damage.
Oh, I'm lagging. Please don't lag. Please don't lag. Stop!
Lol.
Oh, sorry, coming through. I think I'm lagging because I'm going too fast.
Well, don't go too fast.
Too many slow me down.
How many miles you got now?
I am 2 minutes.
How many miles?
1 mile.
Okay, you've won this challenge because I have 62 miles to go. I keep on getting stuck behind traffic lights, and you keep on breaking the law and going through red lights and all.
You should play more.
Yeah, I've been playing this more than you.
You just lost your touch.
I know, but you probably cheat and go through all red lights and all.
I never cheated. Hashtag look at the YouTube.
Well, I keep...
YouTube and you'll see I don't even cheat.
It's just my luck.
No. Just come on. Don't be on me now, please. We're so close. My
It's-
engine's gonna break down at the last bit.
Oh, I'm stuck behind this lorry again. See lorry drivers in this game.
Where are we? What? You are a lorry driver?
I know, but I'm not slow like anyone else.
So you are, you're driving a truck?
Yeah, but all the truckers
Yeah, but
drive
my
slow.
truck's different. my truck's different.
Do you hear the horn in this thing?
Hear them? They're everywhere.
Monsters in the air. Oi ho ho. He ho he. He ho he.
Shush, I'm trying to do my outro. I'll happily let you do yours. But, right.
Bye, have a wonderful time.
Right. Well, what I'm going to say is thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also subscribe, like, comment to Joe's. Don't really. It's all a joke.
Yeah, do mine, and remember to put hashtag Team Joe.
Hashtag Team Fish for the win. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out his coverage. Mr. Fish Gaming.
Coverage proudly sponsored by Euro Truck Simulator. Yep.
Stop recording. So,
Lol.
how's it going?
What? That was weird. I was going a massive hill there, and like he slowed down, then it just jumped. Like the lorry just jumped or something there. Oh, here's an inch on my wipers on. It's
My fraps isn't actually stopping right now.
it's getting really heavy rain.
Hi fraps. I just have to improvise.
It's getting really heavy rain. Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to end my coverage until my thing's over.
My fraps isn't stopping.
Wow. Hashtag failure for hashtag failure. Hashtag Team Fish.
Don't worry, I'm gonna edit this out and then what's left. But I have no editing software. So
Whoa, the rain is pelting it down. It was like weather here yesterday. It's actually pelting it down. You'll see in the video. It's actually mental. It's pelting it down.
my fraps actually better stop. Please stop.
Flip me out. This rain's scaring me.
Why is my fraps not stopping?
Just hit shift Z. There's thunder and lightning just like yesterday. I think this game has Northern Ireland weather.
Don't tell them where we live. They could be pedophiles.
Oh yeah, 1.8 million live in this island. They're definitely gonna find 2 little children on the internet.
Well, we are special Northern Irish people. So
This
you know what I mean?
this rain like is mental in this. Like how do I put my I'm gonna turn off my wipers and see how fast it does. Holy crap, I cannot see. Oh wow, I got another ticket. I got a ticket for not using the headlights.
I might have.
I gotta be more professional and put low beam on when I see cars. I know, it's annoying. I'll probably give up in the end, like, screw it. Well, I'm going round a shop corner really fast.